Hi guys, welcome to this another video. In this video, you know what? I am packing my bags right now because tomorrow I'm going to Austin, and Austin will take me like around 20 and 40 minutes, and that is the easy ride mostly from the car. See, like if you go in aeroplane, it might take like around 50 minutes, huh? But we're going in the car. In car, will be also maybe I don't know if you can stop somewhere middle of a road, so you can also eat. You'll see my whole journey. Okay. Right now today evening is 7:34. It looks like we'll be having some hour left to see me in mornings. Right now, I'm packing my shirts. Me in Austin will be in 3 days. For that, I had my outside shirts. Number one, wait a second. This shirt is what? It looks like some of my shirts here. Think I get confused up here. Okay, let me count here again. Oh yeah. So right now I'm already confused. Now I'm gonna put this up. Now I'll be putting them in separate places so I can understand where I can put my outside shirts, the home ones. Here I'll be putting my outside shirts here, then the home shirts here. At home I do use kinda like these shirts, or sometimes I wear bunny. Bunnies are known to be half like a shirt, and they have lots of space. Boom, boom. Like I think you might see the movie Iron Man, right? Inside I had bunny, so you can't see the bunny. Mostly, you know what? Mostly I need to wear bunny because in these videos I don't want any girl to get reacted for these scenes. Okay. Now I'll be putting the clothes in order. 1, 2. Now I'm actually counting because I'll be staying there for something, and I'm staying in Austin for my brother's birthday. Actually, we'll be staying there for like 3 days, and I tell you. So we're going 1, 2, 3, and now here I put my I'll be putting my underwears up there, and I do have other underwears, maybe. Maybe like we don't know if that hotel has laundry mostly. Maybe you know what? Now you see like you know what? I had now tomorrow we're going. So actually it is June 13th we're going, and I'll be coming back in June 16th. So I'll be coming back in Father's Day actually. Middle of Father's Day I'll be coming back very earlier tomorrow. After my breakfast, we just going back to here, Houston. So in Houston, we also have to get our lunch. You know what? Even when we come back from Houston, we'll be still eating outside food. But as Indians do eat Indian food mostly. But for the sake of this video, we're eating American food because American food are one of the good ones I eat. I'm not a person that is into some unknown food. Actually, I do follow a simple diet to keep my health good. Well, I reduce some of the food because over time I'm getting a little like slimmer, like that. Now bag is full. Maybe too much talking can distract you. You see, I talk too much in this video, so you'll be distracted. So do you know why I talk too much? So I can get your distraction. So you'll be watching what I'm talking. While I'm talking, I do this. I zip my bag. So even when I end this video, again I'll be putting something in the bag, and those are my YouTube stuff, and those are something. Even I'm out of Texas, mostly you know what? We are still in Texas. Remember that. So actually, if you're still in my channel, please do like and share because tomorrow is my trip. Mostly we're going little later when sunrise we're not going until when sunrise. But well, we are expected to go there around 3 p.m. So if you wanna go Austin, and we already booked hotel there, and it shows us that our time is we have to come to the time of 3 p.m., which means we'll be traveling around 12 or 1 mostly. If we travel 12, it will take that long, maybe, I don't know. So if we ride here from 12, we'll be reaching Austin by 2 o'clock. And if we reach at 2 o'clock, we will be also having this time called this one. If we reach there earlier, we don't have to worry about earlier. You know what? I do stuff earlier, but my dad do drive a little faster. And you know what? One time my dad went fast one time while he was going to his office, and he had to pay too much for that actually. But my dad do also have more money, because remember, don't drive that fast, okay? And I think it is now full. I'm putting it. You know what? If you see my bag, I think you remember this bag. Mostly this is Spider-Man bag. I've been keeping this for right now for like 4 years right now. So I bought this in Argentina, and right now, you know what? Here I had hide this stuff. You know why? Let me tell you. I tell you, look, in a month, my dad is expecting to us to go to India. But if they saw this kind of things with my name saying Rohanarjun, they'll get suspicions, because my real name is like that, Now, whoa! I'm just, I'm just kidding. Mostly, that is not yet the thing. Not even I can do like this. It's very, you know what? This is overweight bag, and I have been known to carry heavy bags mostly, and I didn't tell anyone that I carry large bags. Even I didn't tell anyone that I'm carrying heavier stuff. If I carry heavy stuff, it doesn't harm my hands, but I am trained for that actually. Now I am indeed muscular. You might see that. You might see my chest and the little abs. Mostly, if you see here, I don't have any abs left, because I'm not into making abs. Even this is happening. Okay, I can understand the problem. Putting this up. So it's been like a time I've been telling you guys. Now you know what, you might see where I'm putting my bag. I put my bag in the bed, and that's what I do. Okay, it looks like I'll be seeing you morning around 11 or 12. Maybe we don't know what time we'll see again. Bye.